Good morning, guys. Happy New Year to you. I hope everyone's day is starting off amazing. And I hope 2026 is a year of health, wealth, and prosperity and more faith. Amen. So now I am making one of our side dishes for dinner today. We're having fried fish and shrimp. So my husband doesn't like rice or broccoli, and grandson doesn't care for green beans. So what do? Two. I'm making a broccoli rice casserole, and I'm making green beans and potatoes for hubby. So it's going to be quick. Neither one of them are complicated. So I'm using these frozen green beans. I'm using a piece of this bell pepper, not the whole one, some onion, some bacon, and I got one potato. I'm just cooking for one person. So now let's get all this, my onions and my bell pepper chopped up. And I'm just going to chop it in some thin strips like this. And then I'm going to turn it around and chop it this way. So I'm going to get this chopped up and then we'll go on. Now let's get our bacon cut up and in the skillet. Now we're going to chop up our potato. And I want it in rather small pieces, sort of cook quick. And I'm just going to throw this in the microwave to get it started and let it finish with the green beans. Okay, guys, the bacon is over here doing its thing. I'm going to let it render out just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add my veggies. And don't worry about that on the bottom, those little stuck bits. That's flavor. Nothing but pure flavor. So the potatoes in the microwave, I put them on 2 minutes. I don't know how many minutes it's going to take. I'm not trying to get them all the way done. I'm just giving them a head start. Okay, guys. Peppers going in. Onions going in. And we're just going to let them soften a bit. Just going to let them soften. Okay, let's check these potatoes and see what they are doing. Okay, guys, the veggies are getting tender and giving me some juice from them. The bacon drippings, my goodness. Juice from the onions and peppers and drippings from the bacon. I could put this on some light bread and eat it like this. Okay, let's get the potatoes out of the microwave. So far, it's been 4 minutes. I've never cooked them in the microwave before. I'm experimenting. So I'm going to let you know how many minutes it takes. I'm not cooking them. I just want them tender. I'm giving them a head start. Okay. Let's check them. Okay, guys, the potatoes are ready. Here they are. Like I said, they're not all the way done, but in 4 minutes, they're I can get a fork in them with a little resistance. So now let's just put them on down. And now this is a quick version of how to prepare, but it's so good. Okay. The next thing we're going to put in is our green beans. Okay, we're going to drop our green beans right down in there. And I did wash these guys. Some will turn up a little bit, and we're going to season it. I'm going to season with an onion powder, a little granulated garlic, some black pepper, of course, and some of this Candace buttery garlic and herb. Okay, this does have some sodium in it, so I will not be using any salt. So let's give this a toss. Sprinkle a little sugar over it, just a little bit, or you can leave it out. Put just a small pat of butter over it. Some chicken broth. Put a lid on it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And this is how we looking after 15 minutes, guys. I tasted them. They are flavorful. Your green beans still have some integrity. Potatoes are tender. Yeah. So if you try this recipe or prepare your green beans this way, give me a comment down below. Or if you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Happy New Year to you. Love, peace, and blessings.